We just finished building our new structures here out in the growing business park. This is brand new asphalt. Because this is a new build, there's a lot of gravel around the edges, and the UPS trucks, the employees and whatnot, if they drive around the edges, they're pulling up a lot of this gravel and residual material onto the asphalt. The fastest way to ruin brand new asphalt, or any asphalt for that matter, is to leave rocks out here that the trucks are driving over. Gets pushed into the asphalt, cracks, crumbles, breaks it. You got to keep this gravel cleaned off of your parking lots, especially around the edges, which is where the majority of that material is going to gather. So we're going to go jump in the mini skid steer, use the broom attachment. We're going to get this asphalt cleaned off today because I want this asphalt to last for several years, not just a few months.
For this project, we decided to use our Barretto 825 TKL mini skid steer and the rotary angle broom attachment. This is the perfect size machine and tool for a parking lot our size. And rather than hire someone to come clean our asphalt, we're going to do it ourselves, using the equipment that we already have in the shop.
If you're enjoying this video, please click like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY.
By running the attachment at an angle, I can sweep the rocks and debris toward the edge of the asphalt and off of the surface. This is an easy-to-use mini skid steer and attachment that can be found at your local rental yard. While any piece of equipment can be a little intimidating at first, this one is fun and easy to use. And in a few hours, you can save time and money cleaning your own parking lot, driveway, or even sidewalk to protect and extend the life of those surfaces.
If you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to see more of Build It Better DIY.